Upgrade your lifestyle with these 10 clever inventions available on Amazon. From a smart desk organizer to all-purpose camping tools, these budget-friendly innovations will blow your mind. Say goodbye to cluttered spaces and take your adventure to the next level with these game-changing products. Do not wait. Revolutionize the way you live, work and play today. SOG Cash and Card Clip. Tired of carrying a bulky wallet for just a few cards and some cash? This minimalist knife may be the solution you need. But hold on, don't be too quick to judge. Notice that clip. It's there to keep your cards, cash and ID card organized and in one place. And the best part? The built-in foldable knife is always within reach. Once opened, the almost 3-inch razor-sharp blade is securely locked by a solid liner lock. And when you're done, simply slide the liner lock to the left to easily close the knife. The tool is light and compact, so it won't weigh you down. It's the perfect accessory for those times when you don't want to carry your whole wallet. SOG Flint Multi-Tool. Looking for a survival tool that can fit in a pencil case? Look no further than the SOG Flint Multi-Tool. This tiny titan packs a punch, with a built-in fire starter that produces big sparks and a steel wood tinder compartment to help you light a fire faster. Plus, the carbide-tipped glass breaker can come in handy when you're in a pinch and need to escape a locked car door. Weighing less than an ounce and measuring just 4 inches long, you can carry it with you on a lanyard, in your pocket or in your pack. Whether you're on a wilderness hike or navigating city streets, it's always smart to have backup. Boosted Safe. Introducing the Boosted Safe, the car accessory that's got you covered, quite literally. Keep your valuables secure and your little ones safe, all while cruising down the highway in style. This innovative product is more than just a safe, it's a booster seat too, making it the perfect addition to your car. But what really sets the Boosted Safe apart is the luxurious foam padding. Your belongings will be cradled in comfort, making even the longest road trips a breeze. And with its tough build, you can trust that the Boosted Safe can withstand almost anything life throws your way. Just remember, this isn't a substitute for a proper child car seat, but it is the perfect way to keep your valuables and kids secure while you hit the road. Why settle for anything less when you can have the Boosted Safe? Jurassic Croc Multi-Tool. Get ready to unleash your inner explorer with the Jurassic Croc Multi-Tool. This compact powerhouse is perfect for any adventure, with its sharp tape cutter, bottle opener, pry, screwdrivers and hex wrench, all in one pocket-sized package. Its smooth edges makes it comfortable to carry, plus the TSA safe design ensures you can take it anywhere. Unlike a T-Rex, this croc won't bite your hands or pockets while it opens your bottle. Parallel outdoor gear. Are you tired of ordinary outdoor gear? How about crafting your own custom knife instead? With Parallel Outdoor Gear's Make Your Own Pocket Knife Kit, you can unleash your creativity and build a one-of-a-kind tool for all your adventures. Sure, it may seem like a post-apocalyptic skill, but there's something satisfying about wielding a knife you made yourself. Just remember to use it responsibly and leave it at home when traveling. Who knows, worst case scenario, your homemade knife might just be the tool that saves your skin. Trayvax Contour Wallet. Get ready to take your wallet game to the next level with the Trayvax Contour. This minimalist wallet packs a punch with enough space to hold up to 10 cards and 20 bills. Its unique leather compartments allow you to travel in style, and the Contour is even equipped with RFID blocking technology to keep your data safe. Whether you choose to keep it in your pocket or on a lanyard, this wallet is versatile enough to suit any situation. And when you're out with friends, impress them with the Contour's sleek design and unique tricks. They're sure to be a hit. Lifesaber. The Lifesaber is one of the ultimate wilderness survival tools, giving you the power to take on Mother Nature. Its plasma fire starter and UV water purifier will give you the confidence to venture out, knowing you have the means to handle anything that comes your way. And that plasma fire starter? It's straight out of a sci-fi movie. You can create mini lightning storms with just a flick of the wrist. Imagine impressing your friends with your survival skills and illustrious gadgetry. This is sure to turn heads. Plus, with its ability to charge your phone, emit light and sound, and purify water, the Lifesaber is a true all-in-one survival tool. Scangrip Work Light. The Scangrip Work Light is a must-have tool for any workspace. With its magnetic clip, you can attach it to any surface and adjust the brightness and angle to suit your needs. But it's not just a light, it also has a built-in speaker that you can connect to via Bluetooth. And did I mention that it's waterproof? This little powerhouse can handle anything. It's the perfect addition to your toolkit. Smart Wings Nano. SmartWings Nano, the blind system that gives you control like never before. Who needs cords when you can control your blinds with your voice? With SmartWings Nano, you can just shout at your blinds and they'll obey your every command. Plus, with the app and remote control options, you'll never have to leave your couch again. And let's not forget about the 6-month battery life. That's longer than most relationships these days. And the solar panel option? Who would ever think the sun would be powering the automation of your blinds? The future is here, people. B3 Bike Light. The B3 Bike Light is not your average bicycle accessory. It's like having a tiny UFO strapped to your handlebars, illuminating the road like a supernova. With 3 LED lights resembling the eyes of a mutant owl, this thing can brighten up even the darkest alleyways. If Batman rode a bike, he'd definitely have one of these. It's like having a personal spotlight on your handlebars. And forget about boring old single-coloured lights. The B3 offers 3 different colours to choose from. Get ready to be the envy of all your cycle buddies. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about these 10 budget-friendly innovations that can upgrade your lifestyle. Did any of these budget-friendly innovations catch your eye? Don't forget to check them out on Amazon and revolutionize the way you live, work, and play.